Have you been searching for an adjustable desk that actually lives up to the hype? Something built to last, performs flawlessly, and truly gives you value for every dollar spent? Well, you're in the right place. You are watching Review the Best Buy, where we dig deep into real product performance so you can make smarter and more confident choices. In today's countdown, I'll be showcasing the top 5 best adjustable desks you can get right now, comparing their features, build quality, ease of use, and genuine pros and cons that most reviews never tell you. Whether you're watching from anywhere across the world, this review is made to help you find the one that perfectly fits your needs and budget. So stay tuned till the very end because our number one pick might just surprise you. And as always, all the latest prices and official links are waiting for you down below in the description box. Now let's jump straight into the list and find out which one truly deserves to be called Review the Best Buy. Starting off our list strong, at number 5, we've got a product that perfectly blends quality with affordability. Number 5. FLEXISPOT 42-inch electric motor desk converter, height adjustable motorized stand-up desk riser. At number 5, let's find out why it's becoming a favorite among smart shoppers. The FLEXISPOT 42-inch electric motor desk converter is the perfect solution for creating an ergonomic and efficient workspace. Designed with convenience in mind, this motorized desk riser offers smooth and quiet height adjustments ranging from 5.7 inches to 19.7 inches, allowing you to easily switch between sitting and standing positions with just the touch of a button. The intuitive control panel makes finding your perfect ergonomic height effortless. Built to last, the heavy-duty construction supports up to 55 pounds, providing ample room for dual monitors, laptops, and office essentials without any wobbling. The large U-shaped work surface, 42 inches by 16.3 inches, and spacious 34.6-inch keyboard tray give you plenty of space to stay organized and productive. Ideal for reducing back, neck, and wrist pain, this desk riser promotes better posture and comfort throughout your workday. Plus, it arrives nearly fully assembled, so you can quickly set it up without the hassle of complicated instructions or tools. Whether you're working from home or at the office, the FLEXISPOT electric desk converter is a smart, practical choice that enhances both your productivity and well-being. Moving on to number 4, this one brings some real innovation to the table. Number 4. Furmax Electric Height Adjustable Standing Desk Large 55 into 24 inches Sit-Stand-Up Desk Home Office. Coming in at number 4, we have a solid performer that delivers beyond expectations. The Furmax Electric Height Adjustable Standing Desk is the perfect addition to any home office, offering both style and functionality to enhance your workspace. With a spacious 55 into 24-inch laminated wood desktop, this desk provides plenty of room for your computer, printer, notebooks, and office supplies. Sleek, modern design includes round corners and a built-in wire hole for a clean, organized workspace. The desk features a memory electric lift system that allows you to easily adjust the height from 28.7 inches to 46.4 inches with the touch of a button, ensuring ergonomic comfort whether you're sitting or standing. The advanced motor operates quietly with a speed of 1 inch per second and noise levels under 50 dB, making transitions smooth and hassle-free. Built with sturdy steel legs and a T-shaped base, the desk offers excellent stability even at its highest height. Ideal for reducing the health risks associated with prolonged sitting, this desk helps you stay energized and focused throughout the day. Whether for work or study, the Furmax electric standing desk is a durable, stylish, and health-conscious choice for any modern office. Now, stepping into the top 3, things are getting even more interesting. Number 3. SIAGO Electric Standing Desk Adjustable 48 into 24 inches Sit-Stand-Up Desk with Cable Management. At number 3, it's striking the perfect balance between style, performance, and price. The SIAGO Electric Standing Desk Adjustable is a must-have for anyone looking to improve their workspace, whether in an office, dormitory, gaming room, or study space. With a spacious 48 into 24-inch eco-friendly desktop, this desk provides ample room for your monitors, laptop, and other essentials while maintaining a polished, modern look. Featuring a reliable and quiet electric motor, it allows you to effortlessly transition from sitting to standing with a height range of 27.95 inches to 45.67 inches, promoting better posture and comfort throughout the day. The sturdy alloy steel frame supports up to 200 pounds of equipment, ensuring stability even when fully loaded. For added convenience, the intuitive control panel lets you preset 3 preferred heights, making it easy to switch between positions at the touch of a button. The desk also features integrated cable management and hooks for headphones or bags, helping you keep your workspace organized and clutter-free. With easy 30-minute assembly and excellent customer support, the SIAGO desk is the perfect addition to any workspace. Say goodbye to the hassle of cables and hello to a more productive, active, and healthy work environment with the SIAGO electric standing desk. We're almost at the top, and this next one could easily have been number 1 for many users. Number 2. Vivo Electric 63 into 32 inches standing desk, memory height adjustment frame support black top black frame. Taking the runner-up spot at number 2, it stands out for its premium build and next-level reliability. The Vivo Electric 63x 32-inch standing desk is the perfect addition to any office, offering the ideal balance of comfort and productivity. This modern ergonomic desk features a spacious 3-piece tabletop, measuring 63.1 inches wide and 31.5 inches deep, providing ample room for your monitors, laptop, and other essentials. The powerful electric motor enables smooth, effortless height adjustments from 25.3 inches to 51 inches, allowing you to easily switch between sitting and standing positions for better posture and enhanced productivity. Built with a durable alloy steel frame, this desk can support up to 176 pounds, ensuring stability for all your equipment. The memory controller lets you save your preferred heights with customizable settings, and the built-in timer reminds you to take breaks and switch positions, promoting an active workday. Whether you're setting up a home office or a professional workspace, the Vivo Electric Standing Desk helps you create a dynamic and comfortable environment that fosters focus and energy. Elevate your workspace today and enjoy the health benefits of standing while working with this easy-to-use, sturdy, and stylish desk. And finally, the moment you've been waiting for. The absolute best among all. Number 1. VersaDesk Power Pro 40 into 24 inches standing desk converter 40-inch electric height adjustable sit-to-stand desk riser. At number 1, the crown goes to unmatched in performance, value, and user satisfaction. The VersaDesk Power Pro 40x 24-inch standing desk converter offers an effortless and efficient solution for transforming your workspace. Designed with a fully electric height-adjustable mechanism, this desk converter allows you to smoothly shift between sitting and standing positions with the touch of a button, accommodating ergonomic heights from 5 inches to 20 inches. Built with a durable carbon steel frame, it can support up to 80 pounds, ensuring a stable and reliable experience. 2 spacious tiers provide ample space to organize up to 3 monitors, a laptop, a keyboard, a mouse, and other essentials, while the lower tier features a keyboard tray for added convenience. With 3 grommets for cable management, you can easily maintain a tidy and clutter-free workspace. The VersaDesk Power Pro is designed for quick setup, arriving fully assembled and ready to use in minutes. It's the ideal addition to home offices, professional workstations, or any space that benefits from enhanced productivity and comfort. Upgrade your workstation today and enjoy the versatility and stability of this premium standing desk converter, crafted in the USA for exceptional performance. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 best products you can check out right now. I hope this video helps you get a clearer idea of which option truly delivers the best value for your needs and budget. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more top 5 reviews, detailed comparisons, and practical buying guides every single week. And of course, turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on our upcoming videos featuring the latest and most trusted products across tech, home, and lifestyle. All the official links and updated prices are available in the description box below, so make sure to check them out if you're ready to upgrade your next purchase. Thanks a lot for watching. Review the Best Buy, and I'll see you in the next one where we help you buy smart and live better.